Welcome to the Introduction to Computer Technology Research. In this lesson, you will learn the basics of conducting research in the field of computer technology. You will learn how to identify research topics, use search engines effectively, and evaluate information critically. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of the research process and be well prepared to begin your own research project. Research is an essential part of the field of computer technology. It allows us to stay up to date with the latest developments and advancements in the field and to develop new technologies that can help us solve complex problems. In this section, you will learn what research is, why it is important, and how the research process works. You will also learn about the different types of research that are commonly used in computer technology. Before you can begin a research project, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to study. This section will provide you with tips on how to identify and choose a research topic. You will learn how to brainstorm ideas, select relevant topics, and refine your research question. By the end of this section, you will have a solid understanding of how to choose a research topic that is both interesting and relevant to the field of computer technology. In order to find reliable information for your research project, you need to know how to use search engines effectively. This section will provide you with tips on how to select keywords, evaluate the reliability of search results, and filter search results to find the most relevant information. By the end of this section, you'll be able to use search engines like a pro and find the information you need for your research project. Not all information on the internet is reliable or accurate. In this section, you'll learn how to evaluate information critically before using it for your research project. You will learn how to assess the credibility of sources, determine whether the information is reliable or biased, and avoid common pitfalls like fake news and misinformation. Understanding research. Research is a systematic investigation of a topic or problem with the aim of discovering new information or insights. In the field of computer technology, research is important for identifying new technologies, improving existing ones, and solving problems. The importance of research in computer technology. Research is critical to the advancement of computer technology in many ways, including identifying new technologies and trends, improving existing technologies, solving problems and addressing challenges, developing new applications and systems, informing decision-making and policy. An overview of the research process. The research process involves several key steps, including identifying a research question or problem, reviewing existing literature and research, developing a research design or methodology, collecting and analyzing data, drawing conclusions and making recommendations. Identifying a research question or problem. The first step in the research process is to identify a research question or problem. This typically involves reviewing existing literature and research to determine what is already known about the topic, and then identifying gaps or areas where additional research is needed. Developing a research design or methodology. Once a research question or problem has been identified, the next step is to develop a research design or methodology. This involves determining what type of data will be collected, how it will be collected, and how it will be analyzed. Identifying research topics. Before starting any research project, it's important to select a relevant and interesting topic. Here are some tips to help you identify and choose a topic for your research project. Mind mapping. Create a visual diagram of your ideas. Free writing. Write down everything that comes to mind on a particular topic. Listing. Write down a list of potential topics that interest you. Selecting a relevant topic. When selecting a research topic, consider the following. Interest. Choose a topic that you are genuinely interested in. Relevance. Select a topic that is relevant to your field of study. Feasibility. Ensure that the topic is feasible and can be researched within the given time frame. Narrowing down your topic. After brainstorming ideas and selecting a broad topic, it's important to narrow down your topic. Here are some ways to narrow down your topic. Focus on a specific aspect. Choose a specific aspect of the topic to focus on. Narrow the scope. Limit the scope of the topic to a specific time period or geographic location. Consider the audience. Consider who your audience is and what they would be interested in. Evaluating your topic. Before finalizing your topic, evaluate it to ensure that it meets the following criteria. Relevance. Ensure that the topic is relevant to your field of study. Novelty. Choose a topic that is new or has not been extensively researched. Feasibility. Ensure that the topic is feasible and can be researched within the given time frame. Identifying and selecting a research topic is an important first step in any research project. Remember to choose a topic that you are interested in, is relevant to your field of study, and is feasible to research within the given time frame. Using search engines effectively. Selecting keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases that you use to search for information on the internet. It is important to select specific and relevant keywords to get better search results. Evaluating the reliability of search results. It is important to evaluate the reliability of search results to ensure that the information you are getting is correct and trustworthy. You can evaluate the reliability of search results by looking at the source of the information and checking if it is a credible source. Filtering search results. Filtering search results helps you to narrow down the search to show only the most relevant results. You can filter search results by date, relevance, location, or other criteria. Tips for using search engines effectively. Use specific and relevant keywords. Evaluate the reliability of the search results. Use filtering options to narrow down search results. Use advanced search options to improve search results. By using these tips, you can save time and get more accurate results when using search engines to find information online. Evaluating information. Evaluating information is an essential part of research. Why is it important to evaluate information? It is important to evaluate information because not all information is trustworthy. Evaluating information helps you to identify credible and reliable sources for your research. What is credibility? Credibility refers to the trustworthiness of a source. A credible source is one that is reliable, accurate, and trustworthy. What is reliability? Reliability refers to the consistency and dependability of a source. A reliable source is one that provides consistent and accurate information. What is bias? Bias refers to a preference or inclination for or against a particular person, group, or idea. It is important to be aware of bias in sources of information because it can affect the accuracy and reliability of the information. When evaluating information, it is important to consider the author and their credentials, the date of publication, the publisher or sponsoring organization, the purpose of the information, the intended audience, the accuracy and reliability of the information. When evaluating information, it is important to ask yourself, is the information relevant to my research? Is the information accurate and reliable? Is the information biased? Is the information up to date? Is the information from a credible source? This brings us to the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining us.